The 2009 9.3. The Saab 9.3 has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is powerful and smooth. Expect 23 miles per gallon overall on the sedan using regular fuel and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.